How to find all Facebook pages that you have followed. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. In this video I'll show you how you can find out all those Facebook pages that you have followed so far from your account. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find out all the Facebook pages that you are following, the very first thing that you have to do, open up the Facebook app from your phone and then simply go and tap on this profile icon at the top right and then go and tap on this three-dot line at the top left. Now from here, scroll down and it just should expand the settings and privacy, and then go and tap on the settings option from the list, and this will get into the settings and privacy. And from here you just need to scroll down and under the preferences you'll get to see the first option, content preferences. You just need to tap on this, and inside this one you'll get to see the first option, favorite. You can tap on the favorite option, and inside this one you'll get to see the pages option. If you tap on this, you'll get to see all the pages that you have followed from your Facebook account so far. You can actually go ahead and get in the profile, get to see I'm following this page, and this is how you actually can find out all the pages that you have followed so far from your Facebook account. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.